Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow stretch of cobblestone. Beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my color to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound of silence. 이른 아침 작은 새들 노랫소리 들려오면 언제나 그랬듯 아쉽게 잠을 깬다. 창문 하나 햇살 가득 눈부시게 비춰오고 서늘한 냉기에 재채기 할까 말까. 눈 비비며 빼꼼히 창밖을 내다보니 3, 3, 5 아이들은 제잘되며 학교 가고 산책 갔다 오시는 아버지의 양손에는 효과를 알 수 없는 약수가 하나 가득. 달깍달깍 아침 짓는 어머니의 분주함과 엉금엉금 냉수 찾는 그 아들의 게으름이 상큼하고 깨끗한 아침의 향기와 구수하게 밥 뜸드는 냄새가 어우러진 가을 아침, 내겐 정말 커다란 기쁨이야. 가을 아침, 내겐 정말 커다란 행복이야. 응성만 부리던 내게 가을 아침, 내겐 정말 커다란 기쁨이야. 가을 아침, 내겐 정말 커다란 행복이야. 응성만 부리던 내게